Hi, so we're going to a cruise today. Happy birthday! At merong bagong maleta nga si Ara na binili namin kasi na-over luggage kami. Ang dami naming maleta for today's video. Here. Saan? Go, Ara, go to daddy.
Give me that vlog.
Oh, sige, wait. Oh, vlog is open, ha?
Hello. I am the one who is now vlogging.
Group board in 2C. So, ayan, magbo-board tayo. Ha? Ano, camera? Ano? 2C. So, ayun, nakapasok na kami dito ngayon sa...
Give me that. I want to do it.
Saan tayo pupunta?
No, let me do it.
Okay, where do you want? Here. Baka here. Baby, Aram here. We're going here. So, para din siyang airport.
Today,
yan.
the September is my birthday. Yay.
This
And
one.
you saw the pictures from the
Upstairs.
Universal
Thank you.
Studios.
So, pupunta tayo upstairs doon.
The camera's so shaky.
Yeah.
Gonna try my best to hold it
Actually,
straight.
malamig dito, hindi mainit.
Oh my god, so cold. I love it. I love it.
2C tayo.
I'm gonna give you up.
Alright, we're going here.
I think I cannot use this. How can you hold this?
So, ayan na nga si Ara.
Do it by myself now.
What?
I can do it by myself.
Yes, she can do it. So, grabe, okay din. Ang laki at malamig dito, hindi mainit. May nakita kasi ako sa YouTube na mainit daw, pero this time kasi hindi mainit. Malamig talaga.
Something
Right.
else?
So, Aaron will vlog to
So
me.
bad is holding the
So, papunta
camera.
tayo ngayon dito sa second floor.
No! Ay, nasa tita!
Tapos,
The camera
kailangan
is
natin to.
shaking. The camera is shaking.
Here,
Camera
mahaba-habang lakaran to.
shaking.
Alright.
Run, run,
So, Aaron
run,
ngayon ang
run!
aking tagahawak ng camera. So, marami din ditong fountain, guys. Water drinking kung kailangan yung uminom. Tapos, marami din dito.
Shaky
Aaron, go
camera.
here. Ayan.
Oh,
meron
yeah,
ditong mga
vending machines. What?
Yeah, 3. Aaron, here. So, andito tayo ngayon. Marina Bay, Singapore. Aaron, stand up. Smile. Alright.
What is the video again?
Ba't pawis na pawis si Aaron? Why are
Wow.
you so sweating?
Wahaha.
Hindi masyadong maaraw. Mabigat? So,
Mama, Mimi.
tayo naman.
I'm shaking again.
Don't be shaking,
I'm
anak.
shaking.
Ayan.
I'm shaking.
So, ang bilis lang ng process. Andito
I'm
na yung room
shaking,
card.
okay?
So,
I'm
tignan natin
shaking.
mamaya yung room card. Hanap mo lang tayo ng
Looks like
upuan.
many people are bored
Kung
again.
saan tayo makakaupo. Right, Aran? Are you okay with that?
Yep.
Si Aran na naging videographer ko. 2A. So, we're ready to board in a few hours. Okay?
Hours.
Yeah.
That's long.
I know.
How many hours?
Maybe 3 hours or more. Like that. So, mag-aantay lang tayo dito kasi 1 o'clock pa yung alis ng boat.
Nature and animal related. Can you look at this? Did you go anywhere? Did you go to Gardens by the Bay?
Did you enter the Marina Bay?
You did?
Yeah.
Are you getting scared? So did
So, ayan nga, magbo-board na kami. Nakatayo na. It's 10:20 a.m., 1 p.m. yung depart number ko. So, ayan na nga, magbo-board na kami. I'm so excited. Aran, are you excited?
Yes.
Alright, so we need to put our passports. Daddy. Wait, Anna, wait for Daddy. Holding.
Big train.
Ayan na, kami ay magpo-proceed na. So, ito na yung barko. Kaso, umuulan. Ayan na yung barko. Ayan na. Here is the barko. Oh my God, look at the barko. Ayan na yung barko. Ay, sorry. Good. Tapos ngayon, nandito kami sa collecting ng passport. So, kukunin nila yung passport namin. And then, baka ibabalik na lang din after. We are going inside. Ara, we're going inside the ship.
I know.
Hindi lang tayo makababa. Bawal kami mag-picture.
Woo!
Pero, papunta na kami inside the ship. Are you excited?
Yes.
Morning.
Hi, good morning. Seven. What?
D.
D.
You have to go straight all the way.
All the way. Thank you. Seven. D, E, F. So, ayan. So, this is D. D. Hanapin natin ang letter D. Maghahanap lang tayo ngayon kung saan yung D. Kasi ito yung mga barko nila. Ayan yung mga bangka nila. So, mamaya kapag bukas, kapag bumaba tayo sa Malaysia, ayan. Diyan tayo sasakay. So, Aaron will see this in YouTube. We will vlog this. We will include this in YouTube, on your YouTube channel.
Okay.
So, ayan, try natin itong i-upload sa YouTube. Morning! So, ayan.
We have made it.
Yeah, we made it.
Yeah, tingnan mo
So, i-scan na natin.
My mom
D.
is doing a Lucky's.
Guys, para
There's
design
a
ng
reason.
hotel. Sa Middle Strait.
So, this
Middle
is my first
Strait.
time.
D. Tingin mo na. D. So,
Let's just go to our room.
So, guys, ang daming shopping dito. Doon tayo, sabi nung lalaki.
No shopping until we
So,
get
dito, D
to
tayo.
our room.
Punta na tayo sa letter D. Anan kami.